go. What's up, Cage? Ready for today, man?
What is up, YouTube and the Chartsmith? Of course, we're ready for today.
It's
Good.
looking good, right?
Well, a lot of liquidity on both sides being built up here, so it's gonna be interesting. I think it's still tradable, but till now. But if we come any higher, then man, we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait a lot. But for now, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the 1 hour in the higher time frames, we can expect to keep moving in our uptrend right now because we're breaking the highs and holding our lows. So
Yep.
that
Agreed.
looks pretty
But
good.
this is getting too much of a big liquidity pool. You have to go to the low each time to defend it, and that's not a great sign of strength. Because if you have more expansion, then there's much more of a gap between those lows. But they're really close to
Yeah,
each other right now, so that tells me it's
absolutely.
going to be taken out in the future. That's for sure.
It's not you make those nice swing highs and swing lows. It's pumping and
No,
then
it's.
eating up your whole move again, coming down and just leaving open your low.
I mean, for Nasdaq, this is normal uptrending, but these four lows now, so close
Yeah,
to
it's
each
crazy.
other,
Yeah,
man, it's a magnet for you.
yeah, almost equals a big liquidity pool on the lows, but yeah, the grind down is also one big liquidity pool, and from yesterday in the afternoon, we've been building up liquidity on the highs as well.
Yeah,
It's
yeah, that's why this is getting kind of
yeah,
rigged to trade. It's of course you're in Discord now. You can look for longs. It's also switching a bit towards longs right now, but if you draw a Fibonacci with the premium and discount, you do not want to trade when you're around the middle line again. I think you only want to trade in the
yeah.
exceptional really discount, which is the 0.25 of the ranges, or else I think you're just gonna get fucked. No other swing,
uh, on a swing
the big
as in
one.
oh
Yeah,
right over here.
I'll have to wait for the stream to do it. Yeah,
Yeah,
100%.
yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much your range now.
Yeah, you're still leaving open your big lows here, and locally you're leaving open your lows, so it's pointing a bit more towards upside, but it's not looking really clean with the lows. It's all right, but let's see. Just hunting this point.
For defending them, then we're defending them for now. So uh, at the moment, more bullish than bearish.
Yeah, it would be
This is
nice
local
if we
pricing.
could break above this local high, maybe reject. What is this? This point of price action above it, come down and then maybe form something, but
True, but it doesn't have to. It has broken nice structure. Your 50-minute structure is so high, so that's no problem.
already on
On
a
a
lower
10
time
minutes,
frame.
you've also broke really valid structure, and you're
Yeah,
also holding that low. So
absolutely.
still expecting
Yeah,
upside here, or else you're just gonna either compress here, which means we cannot trade the coming hours, and then we'll just have to wait for the I mean, we know how to trade compressions.
Yeah, it's being patient. Yeah, right now we have to wait for this high to get taken and then maybe build something. Let's have a look at S&P. Oh, that's a big S&P. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Yeah, pretty much looks the same. So
If we're gonna break this 1 minute structure, then we're definitely gonna compress here.
yeah, then you're just gonna be between these points the whole time. Or even this.
Yep, and if we're gonna compress here, we're probably gonna break towards the downsides. Because this should be an easy point to push the market up,
Yeah,
but
but still, if we are gonna sweep out all these lows for the high time frame uptrend, it doesn't really matter because this is your low to hold.
just look at your 4-hour.
Yeah, didn't go over that one. Yeah, absolutely.
My eyes on 1 4-hour candle sweep. It's around 317. If you've swept that, then could expect some good upside.
Around, oh, like that, yeah.
And what also could be an option is quickly go below all this liquidity and then just pump up. Because if you look at the
Yeah,
5 minute and zoom in, you have the little origin there. That's your origin from that move, and you've never touched it.
from your up move from before.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Do have a smaller origin, but this is well.
Oh,
We broke, and after the break, this is our first hold. The other one is so low. This
yeah,
is your first
yeah,
real one.
this absolutely, yeah. Let me share the stream real quick. In the Discord, of course.
Nice. He's not online.
It doesn't matter. It's also so the people know we have a Discord. Okay. Let's put on some music. Music from the artist Cage discovered yesterday.
Of course. By the way, I checked out a few streams yesterday. A lot of our streams were pretty low volume. Wilma said that a lot as well. That
Yeah.
it's really quiet.
Oh, but OBS tells me it's pretty loud.
Yeah, that's
It's in the
also what
orange.
OBS
So
OBS tells me, but
okay.
stream it was not.
Yeah, I can put it up a bit. I mean, like this or something.
I've a full max. I don't know where the
Yeah.
problem is coming from. So to figure that out in the future.
I can't really say. Well, so locally we're breaking below this low right now, so
gonna just compress between your 30-minute range.
Just after London, so this is gonna be the waiting game till we make a decision towards the downside or leaving open the low again and moving up towards some liquidity on the highs before taking out these lows, because would this be enough to take out those lows or not? I mean, price action will tell us.
This could be like that you build a range here, little manipulation below. Doesn't have to be like a PO3, but just a manipulation below, grabbing all of that liquidity, and then just get a big rally up.
Yeah. Range here.
I do not see Layden posting on X.
No.
It's weird. He said he's gonna share the stream.
Yeah, but I wanted to look at Nasdaq before doing it.
Tanya.
Tanya with the glass. Oh.
Actually, on the 5 minutes, this is still fine. We could still move up. And would you look at that? That's a boom for you. Boom. Why did this happen, guys? Because we said if you broke that structure, you're probably going to compress. Well, we checked the 5 minute, and on the 5 minute, you were still holding your valid structure and your valid fill value gap. So that's why we just kept on pumping here. Didn't we, Chartsmith?
We absolutely did. I mean, what happens on the 1 minute is cool, but your 5 minute structure is key here.
Yep, making good valid pullbacks. It's actually insane how good we're doing that. Yeah, I was looking for the longs this morning down there until we made the SMT and hunted the high again. But such an aggressive tap and then up, man, it's not playable. Was holding valid structure, but didn't really test the gap that nicely as well.
No, really aggressive moves. Well,
Then the draw is clear.
you didn't even get a test on this one. Nope. Just up. These are some big moves, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, this is a huge London reach.
The Asia was
oh,
crazy
your
as
Asia was
well.
insane. Yeah.
So I'm. Oh, the last time London was fine as well after Asia. So.
Sure. Yeah. I mean, it's just volatile times, so I think we'll not have that dead of a price action like we used to back in the days.
Volatility
You know,
is still really high, so
100%.
going up again as well. So yeah.
And there we go, new high for you.
Yep.
I mean, couldn't I have played this because that was where your 1 minute structure you needed to help that. But you've created no SMT. Of course, the first fair value gap that you flip, you could play because it was so aggressive, I did not want to play that. That's the problem here.
Yeah.
I thought this would just be a trap. But you kept the good low, kept everything you needed to keep.
After 9, you mean? When you made the SMT.
940.
Yeah.
After you've hunted that high, that was your confirmation that you could search for a higher low. And you kept the 1 minute structure, so you didn't have to go below that. So you did keep everything you had to do in order to get the upside, but it was such an aggressive test. Wasn't awake that long as well. And yeah, we did have fair value gap.
It would have been a market, right? Because you didn't get a test back on your inverse.
Well, I wouldn't have market. I wouldn't. That would have been a front run then.
Yeah.
If I placed it.
Yeah.
I only market if there's such a big liquidity trail on the other side, and you need to be so freaking aggressive.
Absolutely.
Then sure, I'll market.
And at this point, it's 1 ticks away from your entry.
Yeah, well, that would have been valid then, I guess. 100%. Yeah.
Oh.
Going back after this when I'm a bit more sobered up, then yeah. Sure, valid. Boekje, do we say in Dutch?
I don't know if all the Dutch people say it, but we do.
Yeah, that was boekje. Okay. Well, not too mad about it because it would have just been a front run. So my day is going better than it should have been.
How's the drilling going? Is the drilling over?
Yeah, it's over.
Okay.
I don't think. Don't even want to draw that. It's just another sub high in your structure towards the downside.
Yeah, but was
only thing that's really relevant for me is that 15-minute pullback all over there, and that's gonna be a big pump. Trump is pump. That's actually not true. It wasn't pump. Trump was dump.
Trump was
on the
dumping.
markets.
His coin wasn't, but
is it particularly saying he's doing a bad job? Of course, if the stocks and everything just fall, because there's a lot of good things about it as well. Like the inflation has been dropping like hell, and nobody sees those things.
Yeah, but if inflation is dropping, assets would rise, but it isn't, apparently.
No, because everyone's scared. Doesn't know what's Trump gonna do. Just selling their bags. I think we can come within these 4 years, big, better, and stronger. We can come back on.
And still, it's all normal. I mean, with Trump or not, if this happened without Trump, it would be normal as well. It doesn't really matter.
100%. I think this was gonna happen anyways.
Yeah.
Because price action is so clean. And while we're holding support exactly where we said we were gonna hold support, so
Oh wow,
So
what a
you're
pump.
giving away free money. Oh, this is gone. These are New York candles. Oh, no, that's not true. But yeah, could have been expected. Beautiful PA, literally textbook, bruv.
It's really clean.
Well, that's every time, right? If our model comes through, it's always clean. It's every single time.
Yeah.
Same thing, again, and again. It's
Oh, we have some news today at 1:30.
starting to feel like a little cheat here. It really is.
We're close to another funded, so
100%. I mean,
what is your balance right now in your 50k EFO? Above 25, right?
Yeah, 25, 5 it is.
Oh wow. Oh, okay, one
Or
trade.
not 25, 52, 5.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what-
52. Oops.
We're not
Yeah,
buying
yeah.
25k.
No.
50k falls is the
Yeah.
minimum.
Yeah, 52.5. Okay, so that's one trade. It's
Pretty much. Yeah. Yep.
Well, our trades are at least risk to reward, so it's one trade, man.
Yep. Next trade, there's going to be one TP, and that's going to be the funded. And then
I'm still one big 4 risk to reward trade or 2 smaller trades away from a funded. So
well, we have enough time. Journaling everything.
yeah, I mean we only have played 7 in total right now.
Yeah, but which obviously 3 didn't have to, but you know.
But they were stupid.
Bro, if I even watch back on one of those on my my latest video, you're a bit more upfront on the trades, but the latest one I uploaded, bro, I couldn't even. So why did I even entry? I don't know, guys.
Yeah, when I was recording the video, I was like, yeah, I don't even know myself. Come on, it's
there
so
was no,
dumb.
There was no entry trigger here. I don't know why I'm in that. I don't know. It happens.
Yeah,
And,
sometimes you have to get some reality checks.
Yeah, we took 3 stupid losses in a row, and then we just boomed back bigger, better than ever.
Yeah, but that is risk management, right? If we had shit risk management, we would have already blown up the account. So.
Of course.
And now we're in profit after losing 3 trades in a row and winning 2 after it. It's in big time profit again. So
yeah.
Never got below the 50k mark. Never been in drawdown. It's
oh, it's going amazing.
Yeah, and then we can trade for payouts, right? So
yeah, right. If we can.
Yeah, it's fucking annoying. Yeah,
what a pump! It's actually insane, bro. It was so valid. It's so good to see. Even that 1 minute structure break, I was hold on. Let me just check the other time frames. Where is your valid structure? And oh my god.
Oh my, Cheyenne, we have another model playing out here.
No, I needed to go out of bed earlier. Like I've saved myself a lot of trouble by being too late to the charts. But of course, shouldn't be like that. There should have been an order there.
Yeah, you should have put in an order if you saw price action. But yeah, if
no,
you're
but
not sharp,
I didn't check it like all the way correctly. Like now I'm just a bit awake, taking my first sip of coffee.
Yeah, absolutely.
And all of that good shit.
Fueling the body with caffeine, highly caffeinated.
Trading robot. Fueling the trading robot. Bro, these guys, everyone that's watching back, they don't even know. I mean, they're starting to see from the journey, and
oh yeah, there's some good videos coming up today and tomorrow. So absolutely, they're gonna see in the journey.
There's gonna be some crazy times as soon as we get a few payouts. I mean, the info we've gathered and the strategy that we are using right now, it's It's so
Whoa.
insanely profitable.
When there are
It's so scary.
when there are payouts coming in, the YouTube is gonna be brought to a whole other level. I can tell you
Yeah,
that.
bro. It's bro gonna hire freaking people to take over shit, post on everything.
Yeah.
This is so profitable. It's
It's
crazy.
really scalable. That's what's so good about the prop firms.
Oh, 100%.
I mean, having an edge and earning money with trading is one, but scaling it up is
do the simple math. If you have 20, 50K accounts and you can grab 4K a month from that, it's just 20 times 4,000. And this is, of course, your maximum capability, almost 50K accounts. But, bruv, that's 80K a month.
But what are the
It's
rules
makes
if you
no
have
sense.
the max 50K accounts? Can you also have apart from that the max 100K,
No,
200K accounts?
just 20 PA
Yeah,
accounts. That's it.
exactly. Yeah, it's you can
And
have one pool and that's it.
if you want, yeah, one pool, 20 accounts on Apex. And
Yeah.
of course, there are other prop firms, so that's no problem fucking at all.
No, but you could
There's
also
so many prop
ju
firms.
just pay for 200K accounts at one time, of course.
Yeah, but if you have 50 PA accounts or 50K, then you'll need to blow up those accounts before you can add another. Cannot cancel them, you need to blow them up. I mean, you probably can.
You probably wouldn't have to blow them up. You just withdraw your money and do one stupid thing and it's done. Or you cancel it. It doesn't really matter.
Well, that's blowing it up, so.
Yeah. But you could also no. Can you cancel it? Probably could.
I don't know, probably. Doesn't matter anyways.
Nope.
It's looking at least good for the future on the Lake McCoy Foundation. So.
The foundation, absolutely.
Actually, let me check if there's been any donations to the foundation.
Oh.
There has not been.
Ah, shit, man.
I mean, this is London for you right here.
After London, always highly volatile. It's.
There's not going to be anything to trade in the coming hours. I can tell you that.
Yep.
After this bump, missed the move. Of course, our entry would have been front round.
Yeah, but even over here there was no entry,
beautiful.
so.
Over there wasn't, no, but
No.
below there, that fair value gap should have been an entry.
Yeah, absolutely. There should have been an order. I mean, you would have been filled, but
yeah, should have been an entry for sure. Yeah, bro, it was actually good because on the 5-minute you flipped every fair value gap as well. You
it's a
inversed
textbook.
it, and then you held that 5 minutes as well. So it was, you definitely could have been aggressive here.
Wow, big profits as well.
Pro big profits. This is.
That's funded for you.
That's funded for you.
Yeah,
100%.
absolutely. Yeah.
100%. Yeah, this strategy, guys. If anyone watching this back, once again, we are in the momentum train right now. We are unstoppable. No, we have not gotten a prop from payout yet, but we figured out our strategy and we're just running through these accounts. So if we get a few payouts, we'll obviously show you our payout splits, everything on the document.
Oh yeah,
because that's why
absolutely.
we're doing this series. And maybe in the future, when we have enough money, maybe sooner or later, we can start announcing our strategy, right? I mean, this works so well. We can.
It has been profitable for a month now. I mean, we can be confident it works for a longer time if we're profitable with it for at least 3 months.
Bro, looking back, this market is moving like this for years and years, bro.
Yeah, so it will be profitable for a longer time because it's based on price action mostly. So it would be weird. It would be weird if it wouldn't work like that because the market moves on those two things. Yes, that's why we created it, right? It's It's
It's
built on the
absolutely
most obvious things from the market, so.
yes and no. People don't look at the chart this way, trust me. I mean, if you look at every ICT trader, we can just lay
Yeah,
a turd on them and walk away.
I know.
It's they're they're literally
ICT is
nothing.
just a really easy sellable thing, so yeah, of course everybody is gonna use it. And it can
When
work for you, I mean, fine, right?
when they take a stop loss, then we
Well,
our entry is their stop loss basically.
yeah. When we are watching streams from the bigger ICT traders, there have been a few times when we had a nice entry and they took a stop loss. So
Nero as well. Pretty
yeah,
stupid trade. We absolutely destroyed him on it.
his stop loss was our entry. Yeah. Yeah. What more do we have to say? Not much, right? Your move is done. What can we expect right now? Wait for a long time. Maybe even until the news has come out and then see
Go
what
back to
price
your
actually
5-minute
develops.
pullbacks. See if we can create another low for another higher high.
Yeah.
Follow this trend until it's proven otherwise.
Oh.
And if it gets too high, then I do not want to be involved with that. I do not want to long all the way up in premium section. Unless the market keeps on being this strong, then our draw liquidity is obviously really clear on those highs, but there's no sign of that yet.
Yeah.
Could just be to test that 50-minute market structure back. Maybe you can go for the high time frame once more. Just get everything in a nutshell. Look at the daily, and then start going from there. And then I think everything is set here.
Can take this cursor. Yeah, the daily. We have talked about this many times. Our power of 3 play with the range over here, your manipulation phase, and then dumping down to at least your technical target being the range low, but all this liquidity was free to take as well. As you can see right now, we are holding support in this 3-day demand order block, what you guys like to call it. So we could expect some relief bounce from here, or maybe a new high. We will have to see. I mean, this move down is really big, so we can't say what's gonna happen from here, but it's a high probability we can see some upside. That is what we're seeing right now. Yeah. Making new higher highs, higher lows. This is pretty annoying. Let me do this. So, making new higher highs and higher lows. This low isn't confirmed until we take this high. And as we said at the beginning of the stream, there has been building up a really big liquidity pool. We could easily take out before moving up again. We have to wait for price to tell us if this is gonna happen. And when this is gonna happen, you will see some shifts in the markets on the lower time frames to get this confirmation. And the obvious confirmation will be leaving open all this liquidity over here, because if you can't take out this liquidity, you need something from the lows. And this is also close to each other. We can expect for price to just sweep everything, because this low is still a low to hold for a valid higher low followed then by a higher high. yeah, that's probably it. It's not gonna get any more complicated than that.
Okay.
If you got something to add to that story, partner.
Nope. Just for the guys that are watching, be careful. This can become a nasty compression.
Yeah, right now you have to be really patient. It's just made a big move, so just wait for price to develop. That's what we can give you. All right, quick little stream, preparing the day, planning the day, talking about our progression with the fundeds and our journey. If you are watching this back in the live chat, there's been put a Discord we're building for you guys, so we can talk there. Also, when we're not streaming. And you're a legend if you're watching this back, because you're the one that's want to learn from people, that's want to grow himself. And we will see you in the next one.
Cage
Mates
and Chartsmith are
out.
out.
Ciao.